Welcome to Form Director. We're excited to introduce our innovative Google Workspace add-on. Simplify data creation in apps with Form Director. Insert records collected from Google Forms into the app. In this video, we will see how the Form Director can help you to create and append a Google slide or PDF with your form response from a templated slide. Let's launch Form Director and select the Start Setup button. Choose the Google slide from the available list of applications. I will name the service as Create Google Slide Service. Then I will choose Publish Slide Service, which creates a new Google slide with your form response. Now choose the templated slide that you want to fill in with form data. This is my templated slide. You should have templated fields following this notation. The Form Director automatically identifies the templated fields that are in your slide and makes it ready to map with formed fields. You can get the newly added fields by clicking on the Refresh button. Choose or create a destination folder by clicking the Choose or Create button. Here I will choose my destination folder. Let's open the destination folder. Currently it don't have any files or slides. You can define the name of the new file to be generated by typing in Generated File Name. I will rename this. Switch on Share Generated Files if the generated files need to be shared. I will switch it on. You can add the recipient email by clicking the plus icon. I will add the recipient's email here. You can also add email from form fields or system fields by clicking on plus icon. The file generated can be converted to the required format by clicking the checkboxes as needed. I will choose PDF format here. Mapping is the place where you provide, or route the form value to the app. This mapping will show us details of how many fields the template slide has, and how many fields are already mapped. As our Google form doesn't have any fields, it is showing as 0 mapped fields. If any form fields match with the app field, it will be automatically mapped. Click on the Mapping button. If there are no fields found in the Google form, the Form Director will create fields automatically for you. As it asks for automatic field creation, I will click Yes. If there are already fields in the form that match the application field, it detects and does an auto mapping for you. Or you can cancel this and add a new mapping based on your preference. Now I will click on the Add App Fields to Google Form button. After mapping all the required fields, proceed by clicking on the Save and Close button. Let's move on to the notification section. Here you can send a templated email to the audience. Let's configure a simple email template and send it. I will click on the Edit Email Template button. Here you will see the sample message and email address to which we send notification emails. I will change the email into address. I will update the subject and sample message. I'll also use this email template to attach my generated PDF by checking the checkbox under Email Attachments and click on the Save button to save the email template. If you want to execute this service after a hierarchical approval, explore our approval by switching on the Approval Required switch. There is a dedicated video for this, please watch that on the channel. For now, I will keep the switch off. I will save the app configuration. Let's open the form. Enter the details and click on the Submit button. Now you can see the newly created Google slide in the destination folder along with the PDF format. Let's open the generated slide and PDF. The slide has updated with all the values we given at form. This is the generated PDF of slide. You can view the same in your inbox with the file attached to it. Since we enabled the option to share generated files, let's check the mentioned Gmail inbox to see whether the generated files have been shared. As we can see here, the generated slide has been shared. Let's open this and check. Let's see how to append the slide. For the Append slide service, the steps are similar to the Publish slide service. Select Append slide service. Choose the templated slide to fill in with form data. Ensure the slide has fields in the notation we shown before. I will keep my first templated slide here. The form director will identify and map the templated fields. Refresh to get newly added fields if needed. Choose the slide to append your templated slide. I will choose New Slide here. Let's open this slide. Currently, we don't have any certificate slides here. We have to append the slides here. In the destination section also, I will keep the same destination folder. Define the name of the new file. Enable shared generated files if needed. Add recipient emails. I will keep it enabled and use the same email as the recipient email. Convert the file to the required format. I select the PDF checkbox here. I will keep the same mapping that was used for Publish slide. In notification section also, I will keep the same templated message and notification emails with attached PDFs. Save the app configuration. Now open the form, enter the details, and submit. Check the destination folder for the appended Google slide and PDF. You can see the newly added slide here. This slide should also be appended to the new slide. Now check the Append slide. Here we can see the slide got appended. Now to check again, submit one more form response by filling details. One more slide should append here. As we can see, one more slide was appended. This is how Append slide service works. Check for the notification email also. It has a templated email message with an attached PDF and slides. Let's open and check these attachments. Since we enabled the option to share generated files, let's check the mentioned Gmail inbox to see whether the generated files have been shared. As we can see here, the generated slide has been shared. Let's open this slide and check. Thanks for watching the video.